Hi guys! Welcome to Matisi. Today's topic is geometric series. Meron ako ditong dalawang example at tingnan natin kung paano natin makukuha ang sum of each geometric sequence. At magkaiba ang dalawang example na to when it comes to getting their sum. At kung gusto niyo malaman ang pinagkaiba ng dalawang ito, panoorin to hanggang dulo. Tara! Umpisa natin dito sa example number 1 natin. So for us to be able to get the sum of each geometric sequence, kailangan muna natin kunin yung common ratio. Common ratio will be dividing negative 12 by 4. So dividing unlike sign will result to negative. So that is negative 3. And then we have a sub 1. A sub 1 will be the first term and that is 4. And then our n will be the sum of the first 5 terms and that is n is equal to 5. And then we are looking for the sum of the first 5 terms of this given sequence. Ngayon guys, since kompleto na yung given natin, ang gagamitin natin ng formula in getting the sum or getting the partial sum of this given sequence will be S sub n is equals to A sub 1 times the quantity of 1 minus r raised to n over 1 minus r, wherein the common ratio must not be equal to 1. So dito guys, bawal yung common ratio na equal sa 1 kasi kapag nag-equal siya sa 1, yung denominator is magiging 0. Magiging 1 minus 1 yan, so magiging 0 siya. So that will be undefined in mathematics. And now we will substitute all the given in the formula. So S sub n will now become S sub 5 because we are just looking for the sum of the first 5 terms. A sub 1 will now become 4 and then copy 1 minus, then the common ratio is negative 3 raised to 5 and then close to parenthesis, huwag kakalimutan yung parenthesis, over 1 minus negative 3, the common ratio. And then we will simplify both numerator and denominator. So 4 times the quantity of 1 minus, so in this case, since we have a negative 3 base and then raised to a number of 5, so kapag yung base natin is negative at kapag yung exponent natin is odd number, then the result of that is equal to negative. On the other hand naman, kapag yung base natin is negative at kapag yung exponent natin is even, the result of that is equals to positive. So ngayon dito, since meron tayong negative base at raised to 5, so i-multiply na natin yung 3 or negative 3 ng 5 beses. So the result of that is negative 243. So that 243 will now become here and then close to parenthesis. So delete muna natin to over 1 minus negative 3. So gagawin natin dito is since meron tayong double negative na makikita, magiging addition na yan class. So that will be 1 plus 3. And since nasolve na natin guys yung nasa exponent o may mga exponent, ngayon naman, isolve na natin yung mga nasa loob ng parenthesis. So that will be 4 times the quantity of 1. Since meron ulit tayong double negative na nakikita, ang ginagawa ko dyan is dinudugtong ko na yung negative na yan at magiging addition na yan. And that will be 1 plus 243. And then include natin sa parenthesis divided by 4 or over 4. That is 1 plus 3 is equals to 4. So ngayon, meron pa tayong parenthesis sa taas. So i-add muna natin yung 243 and 1. And that will be 244. And kung napapansin nyo, meron tayong common na factor sa numerator and denominator. And the thing is, ika-cancel out na natin sila. Or pwede naman guys, pwede nyo naman i-multiply yung 4 times 244 and then after that, i-divide nyo sa 4. Same lang naman yung makukuha nyo na 244. So that is the fifth partial sum of the given geometric sequence. Dito naman tayo guys sa letter B. Tingnan natin yung given. So meron tayong 500, 100, 20, 4, and then meron tayong sum of the infinite geometric series. Ibig sabihin nito guys, yung number of terms niya is increasing. So meaning to say, madaming terms dito kasi nga infinite siya. At kung napapansin nyo, yung terms natin ay papaliit na numbers. Meaning to say, the number is closer and closer to 0. So ang tawag dyan guys is convergent geometric series. At alam nyo ba, kahit na infinite geometric series ito, ay kayang-kaya nating makuha ang sum ng sequence ito kapag ito ay convergent. So tara, kunin na natin yung sum ng infinite geometric sequence na to. Kunin natin yung common ratio ng given na to. So common ratio will be 100 divided by 500 or magiging siyang 100 over 500. And then after that, i-lowest term natin siya. Kasi yung 100 over 500, kaya siyang ma-lowest term ng 1 over 5. At yung a sub 1 natin is 500. At ang hinahanap dito guys is yung sum of the infinite geometric series. Kumbaga guys, wala ditong number of n kasi nga infinite nga siya, hindi natin siya mabibilang. At kung napapansin nyo guys, yung common ratio natin is 1 over 5. fraction siya. Meaning to say, yung common ratio natin is between positive 1 and negative 1. At kapag ang common ratio guys is between 1 and negative 1, ibig sabihin convergent yung series natin or yung sequence natin. At kaya natin makuha ang sum ng sequence natin by using this formula. The sum of the infinite geometric series is equal to a sub 1 over 1 minus r. And since alam na natin yung behavior ng sequence at alam na natin yung formula, ang sunod natin na gagawin is magsasubstitute lang tayo guys. So a sub 1 will now become 500 over 1 minus the common ratio which is 1 over 5. And then magsisimplify tayo guys ng nasa denominator kasi hindi pa siya simplify. So 500 in the numerator over 1 minus 1 over 5 will now become, gagawin natin dito guys is 1 times 5 and that is 5 and then minus 1 that will be equal to 4. So ganito guys, ang gagawin natin 5 minus 1 is equal to 4 and then copy the denominator and that will become 4 over 5. So ang denominator natin guys is 4 over 5 na. Ngayon guys, since meron pa tayong fraction in the denominator, ang gagawin natin is i-apply natin yung rules sa pagdi-divide ng fraction. So copy the numerator, that is 500, and we will get the reciprocal of the denominator, and that is 5 over 4. And then after that, we will now multiply 500 by the numerator of the fraction, that is by 5, and then we will divide it by 4. Now, let's multiply 500 times 5, and that is 2,500 over 4. Copy the denominator lang. And since 2,500 can be divided by 4 and the sum of the infinite geometric series is 625. Math easy. Di ba ang dali lang? That is the final answer. Follow for more.